Good morning, students. I welcome you today's social science class. Before going to today's session, I will tell you an interesting story about humanity. Once, a father and son went to the temple. Suddenly, the son shouted after seeing the pillars of lion at the entrance of the temple. Run, Dad, or these lions will eat us. Dad consoled him by saying they are just statues and won't harm us. Son replied, if these lion statues won't harm us, then how could statues of God give us blessings? On hearing this, the father wrote in his diary, I am still speechless on my child's reply and have started searching for God in humans instead of statues. I didn't find God, but I found humanity. My dear children, Mother Nature, that is our earth, has blessed us with different forms of lands. Dear children, what do you see around your house? We can see fields, houses, trees, stones, and dry lands around our house. We can see ragi field, paddy field, and millet field. We can see beautiful trees like neem tree, coconut tree, guava tree, mango tree. So different landforms on our earth. Some area you can find rock with mountains. Some area you can see wild animals. Some places you find beautiful fields. Some place you can find seashell and the beach area. Some places are useless land which can't grow anything on that. All these things are called landforms. My dear children, in today's class we are going to learn about lesson 2 5 landforms. Come children, let us learn. Dear children, before going to detail of this lesson, let me try out some questions. Where would you see more hills on earth? Yes, mountains. Where would you see wild animals with more trees? Yes, very correct. Forest. Where does the paddy grow? Yes, agricultural land. Where would you see the seashore? Yes, sea and beach. What is the name of useless lands? Yes, good, fallow land. My dear children, what is landforms? The places we see on the surface of the earth is called landforms. The places we see on the surface of the earth is called landforms. Now let us see how the land was divided into different types in ancient Tamil Nadu according to its fertility and people's activities. Physical features and landforms of Tamil Nadu. In the solar family, Earth is the third planet. It has oxygen and temperature to live. Therefore, we call the Earth as biosphere. Because planet Earth supports life, all the trees and human beings, the animals, birds, butterflies, all are there only on planet Earth. No other planets in the solar system supports life. The earth is surrounded by three spheres, such as land, water, and air. The five elements of nature is land, water, air, fire, and sky. According to the fertility of the land, what the land could produce. The land is divided into different types in ancient Tamil Nadu, depending on the fertility of the land. Fertility means what the land can produce, what kind of work the people did. The area depending on that land can divide it into different types in the ancient Tamil Nadu. Dear children, land according to physical features, how it appeared, land is divided into following types. Physical features of the land. They are mountain, forest, plain, seashore, and dryland. The Sangam age is a old period in history. The mountainous area and forest area, when they dried up to become that area, were called dryland area or Palay area. The mountainous area we call Kurunji, forest area Mullai, plain land Marudam, seashore Neidal, and dryland Palay. Landforms of Tamil Nadu. The five types of landforms in Sangam age were divided on the basis of the work done by the people. Out of the five Thinais, only four types were permanent. They were Kurunji, Mullai, Marudam, and Neidal. The fifth, land Palay, was formed when Kurunji and Mullai dried up. When Kurunji and Mullai dried up, that area, that land were called dry land or Palay area. Okay students, do you understand today's class? A recap of what we have learned in this class. What is landform? The places we see on the surface of earth is called landform. Mother Nature, that is our earth, has blessed us with different forms of lands. The land was divided into different types in ancient Tamil Nadu according to its fertility and people's activities. The Sangam age is a very old period in history. In the solar family, Earth is the third planet. It has oxygen and temperature to live. Therefore, we call the Earth as biosphere. The Earth is surrounded by three spheres, such as land, water, and air. Five landforms of Tamil Nadu: Kurunji, Mullai, Marudam, Neidal, and Palay. The five types of landforms in Sangam age were divided on the basis of the work done by the people. Physical features of the land: mountain, Kurunji land; Mullai, forest; Marudam, plain; Neidal, seashore; Palay, dry land. Okay students, I hope you have understood today's class. Thank you.